Welcome back, everybody. So I am at my sister's house and you guys like totally tore me up in the comments last time about me not checking on my plants. So let me tell you guys that I have been checking on my plants. My sister also has been checking on my plants. It's just that it's been in the hundreds here in South Carolina. So I don't want to come out and be in the hot heat, and I don't expect my sister to come out and be in the heat either. So if things didn't get watered, it just didn't get watered. Also, I have not been watering every day simply because I don't know what I was thinking, you guys. I had read something like, hey, you can overwater, and I think I was more so afraid of overwatering. And I guess I just didn't want my plants to drown. That's the way I saw it, but whatever. So, temperatures have dropped. Oh, Jesus Christ. So, temperatures have dropped. And my plants are doing so much better. They're not all shriveled up. I keep forgetting to show you guys the plant at my house. My one tomato plant. But nothing is shriveled up. But I did forget my gloves. I took all my gloves home to wash them. And, of course, I could have washed them here, but I wasn't thinking. I just took them all home to wash them. And I'm not going to touch anything today. It's thundering right now. It's about to rain again. But they've been getting less sun now, and they've been getting a lot of rain water. Alright, so like I said, I forgot my gloves. What I wanted to do is like pull whatever this is growing around them. I don't know what that is, y'all, but I wanted to pull them up. Let me hurry before it starts pouring on my head, because it's starting to thunder right now. This plant, this not cucumber, this is this pepper plant. Let me get some of these dead leaves off of it. This right here is just like nothing. This is a bucket of nothing, or a bag of nothing. So I know I want to get all of this up. Like I said, I forgot my gloves, and I'm not just touching random stuff. I don't know what that is. If you guys know what it is, let me know in the comments down below. But here is her grape. Is it a grape bush? Grape tree? I don't know. All of my marigolds died. Like, how the heck I kill all? And here I go touching stuff without any gloves on. But I don't know how I kill all of my marigolds. I am going to be better prepared next year, and all over the winter I am going to read up on my, thank goodness that thing done turned off. I am going to read up on my spring/summer plants and things like that. I also forgot my cutting tools to cut stuff off, so that's why I'm just breaking stuff off. Should I be doing this? Yeah, let me know in the comments down below, because I already know y'all about to come for me, honey. But anyways, like I was saying, I have been watering them. I've also asked my sister to water them. Has she been watering them? I don't know, but I'm not going to force her to water my plants. Like I said, I will. This is my learning season, so now that I know that, number one, what are these grow bags soak up a lot of water. I know that I need to water my plants more often. Even though they're at my sister's house, I am still going to come as often as possible. And oh, look, a tomato. Oh, it's in the middle of getting that whatever that thing is called. So let me just go ahead and pick that and throw it in there. But yeah. Gardening is not easy. I am going to do a sit down when, I don't know, but I am going to do a sit down with all of you guys and just talk to you guys about my, oh baby, what happened to you? I'm assuming it's the sun. Oh child, I need my cutting tools, whatever the heck those things are called. Oops, well, oh, there's that. Anyways, a lot of things. This is my learning lesson for this garden. So I didn't expect to be perfect, anything to be perfect. My sister tells me about things that maybe like there's bugs on it and so forth. And also my daughter is over here often as well, so I'm gonna start telling her to water stuff, because she likes to come to my sister's house sometimes. So I'm also going to tell her to start watering things too. I wish I had my gloves and my, I don't know what they're called, garden shears. I wish I had my garden shears too. One of these plants had a pepper on it. I guess something stole it. Oh, there we go. Here it is right here. So here is one huge plant. I mean, huge cucumber. It's pretty cool. I'm debating if I should leave it there or if I don't know if you guys can see it. Should I leave that there and let it turn another color? It's so funny. It's like it's growing upside down. That one, and I think another one had one. I'm looking. I can't remember which other plant had one on there. It must be this one. Or maybe not. Yeah, I don't know which other plant. Maybe something got it. Maybe something else got it. I don't know. But yeah, this is a learning lesson for me, you guys. These grow bags take a lot, soak up a lot of water. And also being that I am in the South. Oh, here it go right here. Being that, oh, what is that? Yeah, I don't know what that is right there. Is that, I don't know, you guys. Anyways, like I was saying, these grow pots take up a lot of water. So I know for next year, if I do plant in grow pots, to water them more often, like I was saying, even if I most definitely will have them at my sister's house. But I'm also going to, not sure what happened here. I'm also going to see if I can get some grow beds and put them out here as well. Y'all, these mosquitoes are tearing me up. But yeah, again, this is just a learning year. This is my practice year. These are ones that be hurting my hand, these little spikes. I don't know if you guys can see those spikes, but yeah, those things hurt. But again, this is my learning year. Like Evita, you cannot just expect everyone else to care for your garden like you do, and things and so such forth. I did tell my sister, like, hey, try not to overwater them, because I'm afraid of my plants. Oh. I'm afraid of my plants being overwatered. But being that it's been in the hundreds and they're not really getting any shade, and I don't know what I was thinking, you guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let her water them when it isn't raining, because I don't know what I was thinking, you guys. Like when I was telling her, hey, don't water anything, I don't know why I was thinking like, okay, I know they need sun, but again, this is my first year gardening. I didn't realize there was a such thing as getting too much sun. Maybe I did, maybe I didn't. I just didn't. My way of thinking is that over at my house, I wasn't getting enough sun, and gardening is hard, you guys. Gardening is hard. Hard. These dang on rabbits got to go, baby. So now I guess I know that, hey, they can get too much sun, and they also could be overwatered. But they can also be, don't get enough sun, and they also can be underwater. I just have to find that balance. And I also have to, oh, this thing right here is gonna have me going crazy, y'all. All right, I fixed it. I also have to be consistently coming over. Like I said, it was in 100, you guys. And I was like, I don't feel like being outside in those plants. I'm not going to do nothing but get frustrated because it's extremely hot. But it's, again, a learning year for me. Learning from my mistakes. I will own up to it. And I am thankful for you guys for going in on me in the comments. Like, dude, did you think they were going to take care of this stuff? And I'm like, no, I didn't. But I didn't think that, I honestly didn't think that it was going to be too much sun. I don't know, you guys. But anyways, yeah. Yeah, and these grow bags next year, they may not be happening. Grow bags. Not a lot of stuff. My sister, I'm helping my sister clean up her yard a lot. probably next weekend. Today's Sunday. I'll probably help her next weekend or just go about doing it myself. I don't know. I haven't cut grass in a long time. We've been renting for so long. 13 years. I haven't cut grass in a long time. So let's see if I remember. The only thing about over here about her is she has snakes. A lot of snakes. Well, not a lot of snakes, but you guys see behind me, she has like a wooded area. And the snakes, baby. The snake. I guess that's gonna be all for today's video. I'm so mad I forgot my gloves and I forgot my shears. So I guess I'll be back. So today's Sunday. I'm gonna try my best to come every other day. Today's Sunday. I'm not gonna come back to tomorrow, but I will come back on Tuesday unless it's pouring down raining. We're supposed to get rain for the next week. You guys, at this point, I'm assuming that they're gonna get overwatered from all the rain. I can't help it, and I don't want to leave her umbrella open because we get hail here sometimes too, and sometimes I don't want the hail to mess up her umbrella. So again, learning year, you guys, learning year. I'll figure it out. Most definitely. That's all for today's video. I know it was short. I was supposed to be cleaning up this area, but again, I forgot my stuff. So I am not cleaning up anything. But thank you all so very much for watching today. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. And I will talk to you guys all in my next video. Bye.